Hi guys, good evening. I'm still tidy up my cupboard now, guys. So, what I found just now that because I had go to the my sister's boarding, so I have found my book just now. This you can see this, guys. This my book when I'm in third class senior high school when I'm become a consumption consumption, guys. Can read this. um ya Divisi konsumsi 2023 and 2024. This when I'm third class that become become this uh, become this coordinator, guys. And of course I'm bring this book because I'm become a leader, so I have a certain members that from SMA with the SMA, guys. This of course that Isna, it's my partner wherever she always to join with me, guys. And here now also join to become consortium member. And there is Selma Kalin also, Mita, Dinda, Aisyatul, Wafa, Angel, Naila, Anggun, Lea, Yayan, Nesa with Padilla, Ila, guys. It's so many, guys. Just now I found this book and I'm so like wow. I think I'm forget to I think I'm not bring go home, guys, but just now when I'm still look for my sister's what we say that ijazah, guys. So I made this book, guys. I found this, and and why this, wait, guys, why this so and of course that when I have made this book, directly to now I will to put again, and now I will how this program work, guys. You can see this the dates. It's can see this the dates: Wednesday 10 May 2023 when I'm read this, when we make this program. I mean when I'm writing this book on Wednesday. And this the program is like usual to use plate, like what you have to give information before, like for first class it's aluminium, and second class it's green color, and third class it's blue color, guys. And of course that not all people must to use some this plate. If you use for example that if you are second class and you use the aluminium, so you may not get rice inside this, guys, because it's your plate is different from the rule, guys. So you not obey the rule, so you must to get a punishment, of course that. And the second program is um, whoever's transgressor must stand in line the most behind. This exactly the program from Master of Sudan. Whoever speak Indo or Sasak language that will get punishment, that like transgressor. We say the transgressor because they are not obey the rule, not using English language. In our birding we only must to use two language like Arabic or English language. You may not to use your village language or your or all talk that Indonesia language. You may not use that, guys. And if our mrs or the master of students that listen you when you speak like this, so you must do tomorrow will transgressor. Of course that your name will written whoever listen. Maybe there is people also transgressor because her friends report her, so yeah, something like that. And the church it's you may not to use spring bill when you stand in line. Yeah, of course this exactly I make this rule, not only me, I make with all my members also. And if you stand in line you must to use dress, guys. In my boarding that although you use like one set, I mean like cloth with the skirt, that you may not to stand in line, guys, because skirt it's only for inside our dress, so we only can use the something like dress, long dress, guys. And bill, and of course that bill we use white color. All people that whoever you must to use of bill white color, guys, except when we go school on pramuka, or when we nah if me maybe I only use the pramuka, I mean the brown. But people SMK that vocational high school, they can use like black color on Saturday, guys. But with if us only white color and brown, guys. And yeah, the next is if you late to get down for standing line, and whoever that late to get down for standing line, that you will get punishment that up and down, that 20 times, 20 times. And after standing line, after dinner or eat, after at that you must to cleaning bathroom after program tonight, guys, or tonight program. Yeah, you if you stand in line when breakfast but you late, your name will written. And next last night when people finish mention people transgressor, that your name will mention also. Whoever just know come late, go to the school, come late, uh, and come late to stand in line for eating, guys. So you will get punishment after finish all the program, maybe that when 10 o'clock. Because when 10 o'clock we recitation that from finish Maghrib prayer, and we pray first, then after that we recitation until 9 o'clock, and then after that we directly stand in line for dinner. We can take that time until 10 o'clock, and once hour again that you can enjoy your time until 11 o'clock. And when have 11 o'clock, that all people will calling to back to your room for take rest, guys. And yeah, of course that that time for people schedule also, for the people get punishment, and whoever have the turn for schedule for today, for that night or today. And yeah, the next is the last, because it is the last. I have only if you want to eat or not eat, you must to get down to the in the yard moreover when people dinner, guys. Why? It's because if dinner that our abah it's often to check up, we are when standing line all people. And of because also when tonight that we have a program before we eat, that we must to uh, mention not mentioned exactly. It's can like you must to memorize 5 vocabulary for every day, guys, for one day. Yeah, of course that every day you must to report that five when you take when not yeah, I mean like you will get that vocabulary when finish Zuhur prayer, and when Tanak you will read together. Yeah, I mean like that. And so why that when all talk you not eat, because when I mean like when you have in boarding, I believe you will have like lazy to stand in line, lazy to eat. So why this rule I make for people eat or not eat, you must to get down for take the or if you don't want to stand in line, so you will get other thing like knowledge, vocabulary, so something like that. And then the this the we can say this the punishment whoever not using plate, the like their class, they are may not join it, and that plate will take it with us. But before we give them punishment, we must to report to the ustazah first, guys. And whoever that stand in line using prank bill, that when we found that people, we can directly cut their prank bill, guys, whoever that. Yeah, it's the rule, guys. Whoever all talk your friends, you must fear, of course, that but when I'm there, I think this rule, I think all people obey this rule, because when people stand in line, it's nothing people use prank bill, guys. Maybe except I give except that when morning, because when we finish registration, so we directly to stand in line for breakfast, because our time it's limit. So yeah, maybe like that. And whoever catch with us from the consumption that stand in line 2 times, they will get punishment that may not eat, and whatever they have get, that you must to give back, guys. Because yeah, maybe many people know that not only one people can, it's not all people, there is people like stand in line for 2 time. Maybe that's because that people it's so hungry, or have other reason, I don't know. And yeah, this only this my program, guys, exactly. When I see this, just now I'm so miss that moment. You can see this I written by myself. Every coordinator, you must to make the rule every division, guys. And we get this also, we must all deficient it's have some that this book, guys, from the security consumption, and what again, cleaning, some all the main point, it's all that you must to have this book. And I have found just now also my paper when I'm still become master of student, guys. But maybe I will teach you this tomorrow. I give you the clue little, guys. This I use teach people teaching when I'm become a master of student. Because yesterday when I'm become a master of student, that I get um, teaching on junior high school, so I teach them something like this. It's like basically, guys, but what it's like a pronounce with the a number. its ordinal numbers, and when pronounced this I make this with my partner. My partner, it's my classmate, guys, you know, that's boy. And we teaching divide, become written and explain, and he become example, guys. Yeah, something like that. And yeah, of course, that I'm so missed. Maybe I will give you look at something again, but it's tomorrow. Okay, I will to I want to explain um how um, I teach people. So yeah, maybe guys, enough for tomorrow. So thank you for watching my vlog today. Bye bye.